What if the parliament amends the constitution and takes away your fundamental rights? And does the parliament even have the power to do so? Well, the year was 1951, Shankari Prasad Singh Deo versus Union of India, where the first Constitutional Amendment Act 1951 was challenged. Under this amendment, the right to property was restricted. The First Amendment Act 1951 introduced the ninth schedule, which specifically included land reform laws that could not be challenged in any court and were kept outside the judicial review. Along with this, Article 31A and 31B were also added to the Constitution to protect land reform laws, especially those related to the abolition of zamindari from judicial review. The objective of this amendment was to limit the power of zamindars and redistribute land to farmers. A zamindar from West Bengal, Shankari Prasad Singh Deo, challenged the First Amendment Act 1951. His argument was that this amendment violated the fundamental rights under Article 19(1)(f) and Article 31. A 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court upheld the First Amendment, ruling in favor of the government. The court held that Parliament has full power to amend any part of the Constitution. However, this judgment continued to face challenges until the Golaknath and Keshwanand Bharati cases. This topic is highly relevant to UPSC GS Paper 2 Indian Constitution. And now, here's a question for you. Under which article is the procedure for amending the Constitution given? Do tell us in the comment section below.